What's up guys, I'm Chris the Foodie and I'm going to show you how to make a super moist lemon pound cake. First thing you'll need is 2 tablespoons of lemon zest and then 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. You want to spoon and level out 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure you spoon and level it out, it'll give you a more accurate measurement. Then you're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda to your flour mix, set aside. You're going to need 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature soft. Then you're going to add 2 1/4 cups of sugar. It makes 2 loaves, that's why. Cream that together. Then we're going to add our eggs. 1, 2, 3 eggs. And mix that together till it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to add our flour and 1 cup of buttermilk into threes. That means flour, buttermilk, mix, flour, buttermilk, mix, flour, buttermilk, mix. Once that's nice and smooth, we'll add our lemon zest and lemon juice. Mix that and set aside. Get you a greased loaf pan. If you have parchment paper, use it. And then we're going to get that in there. We're going to bake that on 350 for about 55 to 65 minutes. Make sure you let it rest when you take it out. Let it rest for about 45 minutes. Then while that's resting, we're going to make our syrup. That's just 2 tablespoons of water and sugar. We're going to bring that to a boil. And then we're going to add our lemon juice just to squeeze. And then we're going to brush that all over and let that soak in. While that's soaking in, we'll make our drizzle. That's going to be powdered sugar, lemon juice mixed to your consistency. That's it. Drizzle all over that bad boy. Nice drizzle. And then let it sit for another 15 minutes. There you go. Thank you guys.